How's it going, everybody? In this video, I'm going to go over these Voniko Lithium 10-year shelf life AAA 12-pack batteries. Now, these are lithium batteries, long-lasting power, mercury and cadmium free. I've already used these. Check out how they come. They come in this nice little containment right here. Let's do a quick test on these things. We'll put it on volts there. Let's test these out. So right out of the package, it's actually higher than the 1.5 volts that it's supposed to be. This one's 1.83, and they've got them labeled for 1.8 volts. 1.5 volts is what a AAA battery is supposed to be, which is very impressive, and they're light. These things are light as a feather. If you're like me, and you know what, you got a wide variety of remotes, and you just want to have a good durable battery, these lithium batteries are the way to go. When they're on the shelf life like this, they give you 10 years of shelf life, which is very impressive on that. Now everybody, there it is. Well, you got a red light on. I don't see any issues with these things at all. And it made my remote is a lot lighter now because of these batteries. So yeah, this is something I recommend for anyone that has something that needs AAA batteries. This is probably one of the most commonly used battery in the world, in my opinion. AA, AAA is probably number one. AA is probably number two. Pretty much every remote I have uses AAA now. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Voniko Lithium AAA batteries, 12 pack. See you on the next video.